Good morning, everybody. The sunlight visible spectrum discovered by Newton extends in wavelength roughly from 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter in the violet region to 8 into 10 power minus 7 meter in the red region. After Newton, it was found that the sun spectrum is not limited from the violet to red region but is considerably spread below the violet region and also above the red region. These parts of the spectrum are not visible by our eye and so they are called the invisible spectra of the sun. The part of smaller wavelengths below violet is called the ultraviolet spectrum. In contrast, the part of longer wavelengths above red is called the infrared spectrum. Maxwell predicted that light is an electromagnetic wave. Thus, in Maxwell's time, visible light and ultraviolet and infrared radiations were the only electromagnetic radiations known. After Maxwell's death in 1888, Hertz for the first time generated and detected electromagnetic waves experimentally. Those waves were called the radio waves. Later on, they discovered X-rays and gamma rays. Gamma rays has a wavelength range of 1 into 10 power minus 14 meter to 1 into 10 power minus 10 meter and a frequency range of 3 into 10 power 22 Hz to 3 into 10 power 18 Hz. They are produced by the transitions of atomic nuclei and decay of certain elementary particles. They show a chemical reaction on photographic plates, fluorescence, ionization, diffraction, highly penetrating, chargeless and harmful to body. Gamma rays are used to provide information about structure of atomic nuclei. X-rays. X-rays has a wavelength range of 10 power minus 13 meter to 3 into 10 power minus 8 meter and has a frequency range of 3 into 10 power 21 Hz to 1 into 10 power 16 Hz. They are produced by sudden deceleration of high-speed electrons at high atomic number target and also by electronic transitions among the innermost orbits of atoms. The applications of X-rays in science are for studying structures of inner atomic electron shells and crystals, in surgery for detection of fractures, diseased organs, formation of bones and stones, observing the progress of healing bones, in engineering for detecting fault, cracks, flaws and holes in finished metal products, in radiotherapy to cure untraceable skin diseases or in cancer-like diseases. Ultraviolet radiation. The wavelength range of ultraviolet radiation is 6 into 10 power minus 10 meter to 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter and its frequency range is 5 into 10 power 17 Hz to 7 into 10 power 40 Hz. They are produced by sun, arc, vacuum spark and ionized gases. Their properties are they are less penetrating, produce photoelectric effect, absorbed by atmospheric ozone, harmful to human body. They are used in detection of invisible writing, forged documents, fingerprints, and to preserve foodstuffs. Visible light. The wavelength range of visible light extends from 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter to 7 into 10 power minus 7 meter, and the frequency range extends from 7 into 10 power 14 Hz to 4 into 10 power 14 Hz. It is radiated by excited atoms in gases and incandescent bodies. Their properties include reflection, refraction, interference, diffraction, polarization, photoelectric effect, photographic action, and sensation of sight. Their uses are: it reveals the structure of molecules and arrangement of electrons in external shells of atoms. Infrared radiation. The wavelength range of infrared radiation extends from 8 into 10 power minus 7 meter to 5 into 10 power minus 3 meter, and the frequency range extends from 4 into 10 power 14 Hz to 6 into 10 power 10 Hz. It is produced from hot bodies and by rotational and vibrational transition in molecules. Their properties are: they have a heating effect on thermopile and bolometer, reflection, refraction, diffraction, penetration through fog. Their uses include: it provides electrical energy to satellites by means of solar cells. It is used for treating muscular strain, and it is used to forecast weather through infrared photography. Microwaves. Microwaves are also known as the short radio waves. Their wavelength range extends from 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter to 3 into 10 power minus 1 meter. Their frequency range extends from 3 into 10 power 11 Hz to 1 into 10 power 9 Hz. They are produced by oscillating currents in special vacuum tubes and by electromagnetic oscillators in electric circuits. Their properties are reflection and polarization. They are used in radar system, which is used in aircraft navigation, and long distance wireless communication via satellites, and in microwave ovens. Radio waves. The wavelength range of radio waves extends from 1 into 10 power minus 1 meter to 1 into 10 power 4 meter. The frequency range of radio waves extends from 3 into 10 power 9 Hz to 3 into 10 power 4 Hz. They are produced by oscillating electric circuits, and their properties include reflection and diffraction. They are used in radio and TV communication systems. Cellular phones use radio waves to transmit voice communication in ultra-high frequency band. Long waves. The wavelength range of long waves extends from 5 into 10 power 6 meter to 6 into 10 power 6 meter. The frequency range extends from 60 to 50 Hz. They are produced as a weak radiation from AC circuits.